filming. Tell me what it is.
This is a pizza shop. This is not a This is a house. I don't know what that is. This is a house.
So this is like a whole city.
Yes, it is. And if you see right here,
Mm-hmm.
there's a lab.
A what?
A lab.
Oh.
But I did not make it. I made a temple.
You made the temple all by yourself?
And this is going to Jack.
Okay, let me see. That's the one you made?
And there's a person inside. I'm going to try to get out without breaking him. You can see it.
Oh, cool. There's a person. Let me see the person.
See, he looks
He has,
kinda, like,
is it like an alien because it's blue?
no, they didn't have any like.
Okay.
Just leaving the lights out.
Very cool. What is the battery? There's a battery right here.
Well, that battery?
Mm-hmm.